Everyone now makes money on Digistore24 except you. And they do this using their mobile device and internet connection. And guess what? You can do this across the globe. There's no restrictions, as I'm going to show you how you can also do this as a complete beginner. And if you're new to this channel, I make videos about how to earn money online. And if you like that type of content, then make sure to look around the channel. You'll definitely find other interesting videos. So the very first step and the first thing you want to do is to go over to Digistore24.com to create an account if you don't have one already. As you can see here, this platform has paid affiliates over $3 billion over the years. And as you can see, over 5.5 million products have been sold just last year alone. And you can see they have over 8,000 offers on their platform. Once you come over here, all you need to do is to click on the Get Started button, which is then going to bring you to this page. And all you simply need to do is to enter a username, email address, enter your password, and you want to make sure to check this circle that says I'm an affiliate and I primarily promote other vendors' products. And you want to make sure to check this box and you want to click on continue. So once you create your account, the next thing is to simply set up a payment method. As without setting a payment method, you won't be able to receive payment from Digistore24. And to set up your payment method, once you create your account, you're going to see this section that says to enable us process your payment, make sure to fix this. And this simply means to add your payment information. Okay, so you want to make sure to come over here and click on set up your payment method. So as you can see here, you can get paid 3 times every month from Digistore24 as long as you've earned a minimum of $50. So you can come over here and select if you want to get paid once every single month, or you want to get paid twice or 4 times per month. Okay, so now you want to come over here and set your minimum threshold to receive payment from Digistore24. And once you do that, you want to scroll down here to where it says payout method. And this is where you are going to select the payment method you want to use to receive payment from Digistore24. As you can see, they're going to pay you via PayPal, US bank account, or international bank transfer. So basically, if you have a PayPal account, you can simply select PayPal and receive payment using PayPal, or you can use a US bank account to receive payments. So for PayPal, all you need to do is to come over to paypal.com to create an account on PayPal. However, for those who don't want to use PayPal and want to use a bank transfer instead, you can come over to payoneer.com. And this is a platform that is going to give you US bank account that you can use to receive payments from Digistore24. So once you select your payment method and you enter your details right here, all you just simply need to do is to click on save. And this is how you set up a payment method on Digistore24. The next thing you want to do is to then go back to your dashboard and you want to then come over to the marketplace section. And this is where you'll be able to pick products from this platform and start promoting right away. However, there are 2 main categories of products you can find on Digistore24, and that is digital products and physical products. I highly recommend to go for digital products because you don't have to worry about shipping and handling of the product. Once people purchase digital product, they are going to get instant access. All you need to do is to go over to the digital product section. As you can see right here, there are a lot of digital products on Digistore24. So I highly recommend to simply scroll down to where it says software. And the reason why I recommend software-based product is because you get to earn recurring commission, and that way you can set up a passive income system for yourself. All you simply need to do is to make a sale once, and once your customers continue using that product, you're going to keep getting commission. Okay, so basically, as you can see here, there are over 60 products in the software category section that you can pick from and start promoting right away. As you can see, this product here, which is going to pay you $166 for people signing up to this software. And as you can see here, you get people to continue using this software every month. You're going to be getting paid $166. So this is why I recommend going for software-based products. So we are going to be taking this product here as an example, Tube Magic. As you can see, this product is going to pay us $45 for every single sale we bring to this product. So if we go over to the sales page of this product, as you can see, this is a software that is going to help people grow their YouTube channels. And like you all know, there are a lot of people out there looking to make money online from YouTube. So basically, this product here appeals to a broad audience, which means there's so much money to be made promoting this product alone, and so many people will be happy to continue using this product to make money from YouTube. And I always recommend to go for products that have affiliate support page, because this tells you the vendor of that product is serious about making money and they are willing to help you out if you have any problem. So you can see the vendor of this product has provided you materials you can use to run ads if you want to do that, or short form content that you can use to promote this product. So now you want to generate an affiliate link for this product, and this is a unique link that is going to help you track your sales and track your conversions for this product. So basically you're going to see a promote now button. All you need to do is to click on that button, and that way you're going to get your affiliate link, which you'll be using to promote this product. Once you copy your affiliate link, you basically have two options from this point. First option is to create a landing page, and there are so many landing page builders out there you can use. This one here is system.io. You can also use breezy.io as well to create a landing page. The second option is to simply go over to URL shorteners like Kotlin to shorten that affiliate link. And if you are lazy and don't want to create a landing page, someone like me, all you need to do is to simply shorten that affiliate link. Okay, you want to simply come over to this box here and you want to paste in your affiliate link and you want to click on shorten. This is all you need to do, and you're going to get a unique shorten link you can then use to promote this product. The final step is generating traffic, because without traffic, you're not going to make any money. And there are two main ways to get traffic. The first one is SEO, and the second way to get traffic is using social media platforms. So for SEO, you don't even need to create a website or have any following at all. You can simply use high authority domains. You can come over to a website like medium.com, Quora.com, or vocal.media. These three websites right here are like the holy grail when it comes to ranking your content on Google without having to create a website or having any following at all. And I'm going to show you an example right here. So if I type in this product here, Moringa Magic Reviews, as you can see here, this is a product from 1 month ago that is still getting free traffic from Google. You can see this one just simply 3 days ago. This person created an account on medium.com, and as you can see, this person is getting a lot of traffic for absolutely free from Google. As you can see here, this post was made 3 days ago. And if I scroll down here, you can see this is the affiliate link of this person right here. So if I click on this affiliate link, as you can see here, it's going to bring us to the product page of this Digistore24 product, as you can see right here. And like I said, this product is called Moringa Magic. So if I go over to Digistore24 real quick, all right, and if I type in Moringa Magic right here, as you can see here, this product is available on Digistore24, and as you can see, this person is going to get $127 for every single sale. Imagine this person gets just 5 sales every single month from this one product alone. You can see that is already over $500 from one product alone. So basically, people use this high authority domain to get free traffic from Google without having a following or without having any website. So all you simply need to do is to write a review or write an article about that product. And guess what? You don't even need to do this yourself. You can use AI to generate the content, but you want to make sure to use a high quality AI tool like writer.me, which is going to help you generate original and unique content, which is going to get ranked on Google easily. And the main reason I like this tool is because of the plagiarism checker tool it has in it, which is going to make sure you generate only unique content that is going to rank on Google and not a duplicate content. However, to get access to this tool, make sure to click on the link in the description. Then you want to come over to the pricing section. If you come over here, as you can see, you can only get access to this plagiarism tool by subscribing to either the unlimited plan or the premium plan. And I can tell you, $7 is nothing compared to how much you're going to be getting in affiliate commissions once your content starts ranking on Google. As you can see right here, you want to create an account for free on medium.com and start publishing this post and start making passive income. So now I'm going to take another product as an example. So if I type in a product like this, Sumatra Slim Belly Tonic Review, you can see these people here are ranking on Google. You can see this one. This is a YouTube video right here 4 days ago, and it has gotten over 1,000 views. So if we go back to Digistore24 and let's check this product on Digistore24, as you can see, this product is available on Digistore24. It's a weight loss product which is going to pay you $142 for every sale you bring to this product. If you come back to Google, you can see right here, out of this 1,000 review, if only 1% of these people purchase this product, that is a lot of money for this channel. And as you can see here, Quora is ranking, just like I said earlier. You want to make sure to use high authority domains like medium.com, Quora.com, and vocal.media. You can see this question here was made 5 months ago, and it's still ranking on the first page of Google for this keyword. And as you can see, it has just 6 answers in it. And also another platform I highly recommend to use is Pinterest. A lot of affiliates don't use Pinterest at all. And as you can see, this Pinterest pin is ranking on the first page of Google. I didn't even have to go to the image section. You can see right here, it's on the first page of Google. So if I click on this Pinterest pin, as you can see here, this Pinterest account has just 2 followers, and as you can see, it still ranks on #1 spot on Google. So it's very important to work with only high authority domains, and to create content on Pinterest is very easy. You want to make sure to go to the affiliate resource page like I showed you earlier and see the content provided to you by the vendor of that product. And all you need to do is to simply upload those images or those videos to Pinterest, and you're also going to start getting free organic traffic from Pinterest. So finally, all you simply need to do when you generate your post is to make sure to include your affiliate link in your post. And the same goes for Pinterest as well. You want to make sure to link your affiliate link to your pin. That way it's going to drive traffic to that pin, and once people go over to the sales page of the product and they purchase it, you're going to get your affiliate commission.